What's up, all the entrepreneurs, hustlers, and go-getters out there? This is Rondell Mitchell. On this video today, I'm about to teach you something that you need to avoid at all costs. So if you are a marketer, if you're an internet marketer, an affiliate marketer, whatever the case may be, I'm about to show you something that if you're doing, you need to stop doing this immediately because you're making a major mistake in your marketing and you're potentially losing tons of money from doing this. Okay, so what we're going to talk about in this video is I'm going to show you why you should always use links to your own domains whenever you promote something on the internet. Now, first example. Okay, this is a blog post that I put up yesterday, and I don't have time to explain it, but it's pretty funny stuff, so you might want to go and check it out at blog.rondellmitchell.com. You can see how it's spelled there on the screen there. Now, let's scroll down here to where I actually put the link. Okay, now you can see here in my link, um, I put a link to one of my business opportunities. And if you can see down at the bottom left corner, it says howsimpleisthis.com / wake up now. Okay. Now, howsimpleisthis.com is one of my most used domain names. I have hundreds and hundreds of pages and links to different things on howsimpleisthis.com. So I use that one for pretty much no matter what company that I'm promoting. I just put a / and then I put a link to where it's going. So um, the purpose of this is when you are promoting a business opportunity. Say for instance, you were promoting Wake Up Now like I am in this opportunity. Okay, so here's the problem. Let me show you something here. If you were to take your um, Wake Up Now link, okay. So here's my Wake Up Now link right here. Join Big Mitch at .wakeupnow.com. Okay, now say for example that maybe I want to change my username at some point to something else. Or even worse, let's say that Wake Up Now decides that they're going to give us some new links that we can use to promote our business. So now, if you've syndicated your content, meaning that you've put your content on a ton of different places like your blog and YouTube and Twitter and all these different places, then that means you're going to have to track down every single location that you use to put your link. Now, because this is no longer valid. So what would happen is you'd have to find every single place that you put it and change it. But since I used my own domain name, the only thing I would have to do is go to my domain and switch the link that's showing up here on my blog to the new link and forward this link so it links up with what I have here, if that makes sense. Now here's another example. Here's a YouTube video that I posted about Explosial. Now, say for example, say you can see here, howsimpleisthis.com / platinum 200. That's for an Explosial page. I'll show it to you real fast here. You know, that goes to this page here. All right. Now, say for example that I was to just quit promoting Explosial. Say I decide I don't want to promote Explosial anymore, and um, I just decide to walk away from Explosial. Well, these YouTube videos will still be here. You see, this YouTube video has over 5,000 views on it. So, of course, you want to still keep getting the traffic that you've been getting. So, what you could do is you could log into your website. I could go to um, howsimpleisthis.com / platinum 200, and I'll actually show you. I think that'll make this make a little bit more sense for some of you who are not following what I'm saying here. Okay. Platinum 200. Okay, so let's go back, click on this so I can edit the page here real fast. Okay, so like I said, this page is going to an Explocial page. So if I wanted to change where this is going, I would edit this page, click in there like that, and all I would have to do is come down. See, these are not forwarded pages though, so these are actual pages. So all I would have to do is I would have to come down here first, see what kind of page this is. Squeeze or sales style, I'd click on this for the opt-in options. Now my Aweber information is coming up. Now I could click down here, and where it shows my list name for my Aweber list in my code here. So in the quotations here, you can see Explocial Money. That's the name of the list that I use for Explocial. If I was to quit promoting Explocial, I could create a new list in Aweber, say for Level 1 Network, for example, or for Wake Up Now. And whatever the name of my new list, I copy and paste that name here where my Explocial list name is, and then that page will redirect people to the new website. Now, obviously, that's the purpose of keeping your capture pages generic. Now, if I was talking about Explocial on this capture page, I would have to go and edit this capture page to the new company or to the new offer that I'm promoting. But since I'm not promoting a company with my capture page can remain the same. I just go in, edit the page. Then when people enter their name and info and click on show me the video, instead of taking them to Explocial, it'll take them to my new program, because that's the same thing that happened with this page here as well. I have how simple is this? I have howsimpleisthis.com all over the internet. And for a while there, I was promoting Empower Network as my primary, and I was using howsimpleisthis.com. Then once I started to promote Level 1 Network, I went in, I edited the page, and I edited the autoresponder here with my new list name. And I showed you how easy it is. You just highlight the part in quotations where it says list name, and then you put your new list name, and all of the everything else will be automatically transferred according to how you had your Aweber set up. Now, if you are using GVO or GetResponse, that might be a little bit different. You might have to do a little bit more. I don't use those, so I can't really explain to you how to do that, but I know most of you use Aweber, so that's the easiest way to do that. All right, so in closing, whenever you put your links out, especially on your blogs and so for example, here's the last example I wanted to show you. Here's an Explocial review that I wrote on my Level 1 Network blog. Now, you can see here on the click started button, on the get started button, it goes to howsimpleisthis.com once again, and that page looks like this. Okay, so now if I was to quit promoting Explocial, even though this is an Explocial review, it's generating traffic, but when people click on it, it'll take them to the page you just saw there. And even though I'm not promoting Explocial, does not mean that I don't have the right to take this page, edit the code, and send them somewhere else, because the only thing that's important is that you're getting traffic. So if you're getting traffic, you're getting people looking at what it is that you're doing, then who cares if you stop promoting the company? Just change where the link is being directed to. Hopefully that made some sense. If you have any questions about what I just showed you guys, just leave comments or whatever in the comment section below this video, and then I'll do my best to answer those for you. So hopefully you got a little bit of value out of that. If you're using your company links and your affiliate links in your marketing, you should stop. You should buy some type of a dedicated domain name and set that domain name up with OptimizePress, or if not OptimizePress, set it up on a blog. And then once you set it up on a blog, you can add PrettyLink to it. If you don't know what PrettyLink is, I'll show you real quick here. PrettyLink is a program, a plugin rather, that you can use with, it's a plugin that you can use with any of your WordPress blogs. So for example, here's how it works. Once it logs me in here, I'll make a quick PrettyLink. Alright, now say for example that I wanted to create a PrettyLink. Here's PrettyLink right here. Click on that. Alright, so now I'm in PrettyLink. And here it says add a new PrettyLink. So I click there to add a new PrettyLink. Alright, now this is the link for my blog. So whatever the name of your website is will be right here, whether it's showmethemoney.com or iamawesome.com, whatever it is. And then this is where you title the link. So in this scenario, if I had howsimpleisthis.com / platinum 200, I could go into my PrettyLink and change where that goes. And this is in the event that you're not using the Aweber strategy I just showed you. But you could put in the link here, the target link to where you want that to go. So let's put that in as Facebook. Alright, facebook.com, and put my username in there. Alright, so Facebook. So then here I'm just going to put Facebook. Alright, now click on create. Okay, so what I just did was I created a link that will forward to my Facebook. So for instance, if I was to click on blog or type in blog rondelmitchell.com / Facebook, it'll redirect to my Facebook page like it just did there. So that's another way for you to be able to keep control of what it is that you promote. That way, if you're promoting affiliate links through ClickBank or Commission Junction or whatever, or you're promoting your business opportunity, now you are in control in the event that that program goes out of business, or they change the link structure or something like that, and then you can still have traffic coming to the link. It just will go to whatever else you choose for it to go to instead. Alright, so hopefully you got some value out of that. I didn't plan this video out, so I was just pretty much going on the whim, so I didn't have notes or anything like that. So like I said, if you didn't understand any of this, just leave a comment below in the video, in the comment section that you'll see down here on YouTube. If you're watching this on a different video network or somewhere else, if you're seeing this somewhere else, just find the comment section and leave a comment, and I'll answer your question as soon as I can. All right, so that's it. This is Rondell Mitchell. I'm signing off. Oh, and by the way, before you guys go, if you got some value out of this video, I have something 10 times more valuable than what you just learned here, and you should find it in the description below this video. So if you're looking to seriously take your marketing and make some serious money on the internet, then click on that link, watch the video, and then get started, or call me if you have any questions. All right, this is Rondell. I'm signing off.